Hello, my name is Shirley, and today I'll be working on a LeetCode problem. The problem says to remove duplicates from sorted array. So first I'm going to read the question to understand what I'm supposed to do. Given an array num sorted in non-decreasing order, so I know that I will get an array called nums. And it will be non-decreasing, which means that I will not need to go back and search for things that are duplicate as long as I move forward. And then what I need to do is that I need to find each unique element, and that can only be printed once. The relative order of the element should be kept the same, so I know that I do not need to change the order. Moving on, consider the numbers of unique elements of nums to be k to get accepted into the following thing. So I know I need to declare a int variable called k, and I'm guessing that will be the counting variable. Change the array nums such the first thing k element of nums contain the unique elements in which the order that they were presented in nums initialized. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. So after declaring k, I will initialize k to take the first value of nums. And nums will be a user input from the user, and once I get that value, I think k will be looping around to the next value as long as it does not match. And then finally it'll return k. So this function returns k in the end. And then I think k represents how many times unique numbers show up. To solve the problem, I will first do my pseudocode. I'll comment this to be a function that will remove duplicates. And because I need to get an array called nums, I will have a parameter that has nums in it. And in the next row, I will declare my variables that I'll need. And in this case, I think I need the expected nums. I'll declare that first. I'll declare expected nums as my variable. And they also mentioned to declare a k variable, and I will declare that as well. I don't know what I need to put in the value, so I will leave it as null for now. And then I need to find each unique element and print 1. So for this part, I will declare a for loop that will loop nums until a value shows up twice. In this case, I will indent this first. I will remove the duplicate and save it in expected nums. Also, I think mentioned declaring k, the value should be the first value of nums. I will have that be the first value of nums. In this case, after I remove it and saving unexpected nums, I will then add 1 to the current k value. I will have this loop until the end of the array nums. This will exit, and this will return the value of k, which should be the number of unique values there are.